The citric acid cycle is a series of reactions that have been catalyzed by enzymes. It's a process required for cells that use oxygen to breathe. It occurs in the matrix of the mitochondria. The process yields carbon dioxide and ATP. The process takes place in 8 steps, which starts with the formation of citric acid. The first step is 2 pyruvate molecules from glycolysis are transformed into acetyl coenzyme A or acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA then combines with oxaloacetate and synthesizes in order to make citric acid. Citric acid loses a water molecule, and after a few steps it is added back to create isocitric acid. When dehydrogenation, or the loss of a hydrogen ion, occurs, it represents NAD, which is reduced to NADH. The enzyme succinyl-CoA synthetase catalyzes the 5th reaction of the citric acid cycle. In this step, a molecule of GTP is synthesized. GTP is similar in structure and energetic properties to ATP. GTP synthesis occurs with the addition of a free phosphate group to a GDP molecule. GDP is much like ADP. After the phosphate group is added to the molecule, it is transferred from GDP to form a GTP. The resulting molecule product is succinic acid. Succinic acid dehydrogenase catalyzes a removal of 2 hydrogen ions. In the reaction, a molecule of FAD is reduced to FADH2 as it takes a hydrogen ion from succinic acid. The product of all of this is fumaric acid. In the final reaction of the citric acid cycle, oxaloacetate is regenerated by oxidizing malic acid with a molecule of NAD to produce NADH. The process then starts all over again. In conclusion, acetyl-CoA has been oxidized into 2 molecules of CO2. 1 molecule of FAD is reduced to FADH. 3 molecules of NAD were reduced to NADH. And 1 molecule of GTP was produced. In addition, a total of 2 ATP molecules were created to start the electron transport chain. This then concludes the citric acid cycle.